Yeah, installation was good. You did very good job, and it was cleaned very good. So I can say it is clean and good.
The bed is on.
Yeah. So we went to a friend's place. There the same bed was installed. So we inquired about this, and I got to know about your company. So from there I got to know about Invisible Bed company.
The family friends was both.
Yeah, I will refer to everyone because it's good and it is really space saving.
Starting में ऐसा रीच करना.
Uh,
Starting में ऐसा यूज करता है. थोड़ा रीचेस हो गया.
Starting earlier we did not have, we slept on mattress only. Now we have installed bed and we'll sleep.